If you're tired of being overlooked or unsure about what to say to capture the attention of that younger woman, prepare yourself. In this video, I'll share 6 things that younger women love hearing from more experienced men. Use these phrases, and you'll see her become utterly captivated by you to the point where she'll want to be with you tonight. Are you curious to discover these magical phrases and their psychological effects? Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Give this video a like, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Without further ado, let's jump in. You have a sparkle in your eyes that's simply contagious. This compliment strikes directly at her heart by focusing on something deeper and more personal. It avoids cliches and highlights a unique feature, making her feel admired in an extraordinary way. Why does it work? Younger women adore compliments that go beyond the surface and demonstrate that you notice details others overlook. It's a blend of charm and emotional connection, helping her feel attractive on a deeper level. Pro tip: follow up with something like, "When you look at someone, it feels like you light up the entire room. That's something I don't see in anyone else." This adds a layer of exclusivity and makes the compliment even more authentic. 2. You remind me how good it feels to enjoy the moment. This phrase is appealing because it connects her youthful energy with spontaneity and freedom, qualities many younger women cherish. It shows that her presence brings a refreshing outlook to your life. Why does it work? Younger women like knowing they bring something valuable and unique to the life of an experienced man. This phrase highlights your appreciation for life's genuine moments while emphasizing her positive impact on you. Pro tip: add something like, "Your vibe reminds me how great it is to laugh, enjoy, and let go of worries every now and then." It's inspiring. This emphasizes the uplifting influence she has on you. 3. You're more mature than most women I know. This phrase is incredibly powerful because it speaks directly to her ego and self-esteem. Younger women, especially those attracted to older men, crave being seen as unique and different from others their age. By telling her she's more mature, you're emphasizing that she's special, intelligent, and possesses qualities that others might lack. Why does it work? Younger women often feel they aren't taken seriously, and this phrase shows that you value her intelligence and maturity. It contrasts with the shallow compliments she might receive from younger men, reinforcing your role as an experienced man who recognizes meaningful qualities. Pro tip: when you say this, follow it up with something specific like, "I can tell by the way you speak and make decisions that you have a much more mature outlook on life." This makes your compliment feel genuine and even more impactful. 4. You have an energy that ignites something special in me. This phrase is emotionally rich and leaves an immediate impression because it pairs admiration with a sense of mystery. It makes her feel unique and valued while suggesting that she brings out something extraordinary in you, a confident and experienced man. Why does it work? Younger women are drawn to compliments that connect their inner qualities to the effect they have on others. Saying that something about her ignites something within you creates a strong image of desire and connection while remaining tasteful and non-intrusive. Pro tip: add something personal like, "I don't know if it's your smile, your presence, or the way you talk, but it's impossible not to feel inspired when I'm around you." This makes the compliment feel even more sincere and heightens the emotional intensity. How to use it: say this when the conversation is flowing well, and there's mutual laughter or smiling. Use a calm, confident tone, showing that you truly mean it. Finish with a small smile or a short pause before moving the conversation forward, keeping an air of mystery that leaves her curious about your feelings. 5. I like how authentic you are. That's rare these days. This phrase builds her confidence and makes her feel unique in a special way. By calling her authentic, you're recognizing that she has a standout personality, something that sets her apart. This creates a strong emotional bond, making her feel closer to you. Why does it work? Younger women want to be valued for more than just their looks. By noticing her inner qualities, you stand out from others. This phrase feeds her desire to be seen as different and extraordinary, making her want to spend time with someone who values her individuality. Pro tip: pay attention to the details and say something like, "I notice how honest you are and how unafraid you are to show your true self. That's incredible and so rare." This makes your compliment feel deeply personal and meaningful. 6. Just being near you makes my mind start imagining things it probably shouldn't. This phrase carries a bold, flirty tone, creating a magnetic tension. It's suggestive without being explicit, leaving room for her imagination to fill in the blanks. Why does it work? A well-executed flirtation balances charm with sensuality. This phrase hints at attraction in an intriguing and sophisticated way, making her feel both noticed and desired. Pro tip: say this with direct eye contact and a subtle smile, pausing briefly to build suspense. For example, you could follow it with something like, "It's hard not to wonder what it would feel like if it were just the two of us, completely relaxed with no one else around." How to use it? Use this line when the mood is light and relaxed, but there's already an undeniable attraction. A soft, intimate tone makes it even more impactful, ensuring she'll think about you long after your conversation ends. If you found this video informative, please take a moment to share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section below. If you have made it this far, comment below with the word 100% to confirm that you have received the knowledge from this video. For more interesting topics like this, also make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Until next time, stay safe and awesome. Thanks for watching.